Let's suppose that we multiply the onesies 21 times 31. So down below we make our 3 flat zeros, and beneath the first one we put a 1, in the middle one a plus sign, and here a multiplication sign. So when we have two numbers like this, our ones digit is always a 1, and then we add 2 plus 3. So we add 2 plus 3, so we get a 5, and then we multiply 2 times 3 to get 6. So 651. So let's say we're going to do 51 times 61. Make our 3 flat zeros again. We want a run, a plus, and a star for multiplication. Do the same thing so that we get our 1 times 1 is 1. 5 plus 6 is 11. Uh-oh, we have too many. So we put that 1 here. Remember that one. 5 times 6 is 30, plus a 1, 31. So our answer is 3,111.